Indian IT stocks were bleeding red this morning, hammered by President Donald Trump's latest H-1B visa crackdown unveiled last night. The US scrapped the 18-year-old lottery for a wage and skill priority system that spells higher costs for Indian tech firms. Nifty IT was down, with major IT stocks sliding up to 2% as markets digested the end of easy visa access and a whopping new $100,000 fee upheld by federal courts. Washington, D.C. has rewritten the H-1B playbook. The Trump administration's bombshell rule ditches the random lottery system, where every application had an equal shot in favor of a merit-based filter prioritizing higher-paid, higher-skilled workers. USCIS says it protects American jobs by pushing companies to hire top-tier talent, not bargain basement labor. The new regime kicks in on 27th of February for the 85,000 visa cap in 2026-27. Earlier, a fresh grad and a 10-year vet had the same lottery odds. Now, applications linked to top wage brackets and advanced roles gets first pick, squeezing entry-level hires and forcing firms to pay up or ship work home. Indian pros dominate H-1B with over 70% of approvals, and giants like TCS, Infosys and even US tech behemoths like Google and Amazon lean hard on this pipeline for coders, analysts and AI whizzes. But the real gut punch: a presidential proclamation which slaps an extra $100,000 fee per new H-1B app. The new fee was last night greenlit by federal courts, jacking up on-site costs dramatically. Add enhanced social media vetting and delayed interviews at US consulates in India, and thousands of pros are stuck in limbo. Trump calls it America First reform, blasting the old system as exploited to undercut US wages. Critics scream it chokes innovation and jacks client bills. For India's $250 billion IT export machine, the math stings. Brokerages eye a 4 to 6% earnings hit if firms eat the full fee on new visas, though renewals dodge it and offshoring ramps up. Firms have cut fresh H-1B reliance to under 10% of headcount. The winners are elite engineers commanding fat paychecks, and the losers, juniors and mid-tier roles, plus IT margins already squeezed by AI disruption. Markets brace for a costlier, tougher H-1B era, narrower pipeline, pricier talent, where only big spenders play. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.